Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're talking about the best Valentine's Day gifts for gamers. With Valentine's Day just around the corner, it's time to start thinking about the perfect gifts for your loved ones who love gaming. Whether you're looking for a gift for a casual or hardcore gamer, we've got you covered. From the latest games to gaming accessories, we'll be showing you the top gifts that will make your gamer's heart skip a beat. So, grab a snack, sit back and relax, and let's get into the best Valentine's Day gifts for gamers. Check description below for the official product links. Please subscribe and like the video. This inspires me to create more videos for you. Number 1. 8BitDo Pro 2 Bluetooth Controller. 8BitDo's controller is a more ergonomic alternative to Joy-Cons, and we like that it is customizable profile switching and 20 hours of battery life. Maybe you love playing games together on a Nintendo Switch, but you're far less fond about having to split the teeny tiny Joy-Con controllers. Why not upgrade the experience with 8BitDo's Pro 2 controller, shaped to fit comfortably in most hands, highly customizable and available in a few colors to fit a few gamer styles. It also works with PC, MacOS and even the Raspberry Pi if your gamer likes to tinker. Number 2. Xbox Elite Wireless Controller Series 2. This premium accessory looks classy and feels great in the hand, thanks to its rubberized grips and interchangeable thumbsticks. When you really want to pamper your Xbox player, why not upgrade them from the standard gamepad to the Elite controller? This premium accessory looks classy and feels great in the hand, thanks to its rubberized grips and interchangeable thumbsticks. The paddles on the back add yet another control scheme for your player to take advantage of, and the dual triggers are even adjustable for the type of game being played. Number 3. SCUF Instinct Pro. As an alternative to Xbox's own wireless controller, SCUF has a back that features two horizontal paddles that fit nicely under the fingers, and the hex pattern on the grips is great at wicking away sweat. If you're not a fan of the paddle style of the Elite controller, know that the SCUF Instinct Pro offers a lot of the same features with a different twist. The back features two horizontal paddles that fit nicely under the fingers, and the hex pattern on the grips is great at wicking away sweat. Pro gamers will especially love the instant triggers, which can switch to a mouse-like click at the flip of a switch. Number 4. SteelSeries Arctis 1. SteelSeries headset is sleek and comfortable, plus it works seamlessly with Nintendo Switch and Android devices. Wireless headsets are a dime a dozen these days, but one that can work seamlessly with the Nintendo Switch and Android phones are still somewhat rare. Of those, the SteelSeries Arctis 1 is probably still the best. It's sleek, comfortable, and highly portable, connecting to devices via the easy USB-C dongle. Even if your loved one already has a wireless gaming headset in their arsenal, this is one that's made to travel and makes a great buy. Number 5. Razer Kraken Kitty. The Kraken Kitty is famous for its kawaii design that looks great and feels great, making it ideal for long hours streaming on Twitch or YouTube. Not every gamer accessory has to be intimidating and hardcore. Razer makes a great line of products aimed at gamers who don't want all black everything, or those that really like pink and they don't compromise on quality. The Kraken Kitty is famous for its kawaii design that looks great and feels great, making it ideal for long hours streaming on Twitch or YouTube. If you're not into the cotton candy look, the headset is also available in black for a grimmer style. Number 6. Logitech Litra Glow. Steamers will appreciate the soft glow that Logitech's accessory provides, not to mention its easy setup process and convenient software. Streaming is the hot thing for a lot of players right now, whether they do it for fun or profit. But it can take a bit of an investment to get started, so gifting them some of that gear is a great idea. Sure, a camera is an obvious necessity, but good lighting is also key, and Logitech's new Litra Glow will create bright, even light that's easy to hook up thanks to the company's expertise in software. Number 7. Logitech StreamCam. The StreamCam is easy to use, but the kicker is that it can film in either landscape or portrait mode, making it ideal to create content for YouTube, Twitch, TikTok, and Instagram. If your gamer is in the market for a new webcam, preferably one that can stream for both PC and mobile, the Logitech StreamCam is right up their alley. It's easy to use, sure, but the real appeal is that it can film in either landscape or portrait mode, making it ideal to create content for not just YouTube and Twitch, but also TikTok and Instagram. Number 8. Elgato Stream Deck Mini. Elgato's handy desktop controller lets streamers customize each button with different actions, making it easier to multitask while playing online. Beyond a webcam and a mic, one tool that's becoming increasingly common for streamers is an Elgato Stream Deck. The sheer amount of customization options might seem a bit intimidating at first, but the company makes a smaller mini version with 6 buttons for triggering various actions, set up via the incredibly easy software. If your gamer is already streaming with ease, you can step up to the larger and more expensive Stream Deck MK2 instead, which features more buttons and a customizable faceplate. All product links are in description below. Like this video and leave a comment. Thank you.